Hello everyone. In previous video we have seen what flowchart is and how you decide, means what is the main reason or what is the main content to decide true or false. Like we have seen boolean values, boolean expression and control expressions. Now we will see how, means what is the element of flow control and how you use control statements in your Python programming. So elements of flow control is always a condition. If you have a condition which has true or false, like which has to decide where you have to go, in one way or in another way, or in a S way or in the no way, then the clause of code, what you have to do after you decide true or false. So condition is a context of flow control, and block of code you do after you decide the condition is clause. So these are the elements of flow control. One is condition, second one is block of code. Condition always returns true or false. Based on true or false, what you do next is the block of code. So the three rules to write block of code is: block begins when the indication increases, block can contain another block, like a block of code can also contain another block of code, and block end when the indication decreases to 0 or to the block indication. So elements of flow control, we already told there should be a condition, like if name equal to Mary, then you print hello Mary. If password is equal to Swordfish, you grant the access, else you print wrong password. So if name is not equal to Mary, you directly go to else part. If the name is equal to Mary and password is not equal to Swordfish, then also you go back to else part. So this is how element is control the flow. So how you execute the program always. So you started hello.py, like you have executed hello program, where if you start the execution with statement by statement, you scroll down, like you just scroll down from the first statement to last statement. But what you have flow control statements, then the scrolling down, like if you start executing line by line, the line may jump directly, or means the execution of line may jump from one statement to another statement, or it may keep on repeatedly executing the same statement again and again. So this is how the flow control of the statements are found. To control the flow of the statement, we make use of flowcharts. First one is flow control, means to see how the statements control or how you control your flow of a statement. We use many flow control statements. They are like our if else condition statements, or it may be while loop or for loop statements. These statements are responsible to control the flow of your program. So all conditional statements and your loop statements. So first we will see if statements, else, if else, that is represented as else if, ELIF, while loop statement, break and continue statements, loop with range function of statements. So first here in flow control we will see if statement. It is very simple. If name is equal to Alice, print hi. So start, if name is equal to Alice, is it true? Print hi, then end the program. If not, end the program. It is simple if statement. You have to do true with some condition. If not, you continue your program. Next one is else statement. So for every if statement, it is given with else. So it is called else statement. If your name is Alice, print hi Alice. Else what you have to do? Instead of ending program, you have to do something. Then you have to print hello stranger. You don't, means the program or the person who don't know who is in front, so they are telling it as stranger. So start, if name is tested with a triangle, means diamond, where all the condition is represented with diamond. Hello Alice, true, print hi Alice, else print hi stranger, and this is how else statement works with if condition. Next one is else if. If your program has too many conditions, what you do? We use else if conditions. If, do this. If not, do something else. If not, you can do some more things else. So if name is equal to Alice, print Alice. Else if age is less than 12, you are printing you are not Alice kiddo. It's just an example. So you may be fooled once, like you may be knowing the name, you are setting one more parameter to test you are Alice or not, that is age. So the person who knows the name should be Alice can cheat, but he may not be knowing the age. That is our condition. Start name equal to Alice. If it is true, print Alice. Hi Alice. And next one false, then go to age. If age is less than 12, then also it is false. Next one is else if statements. So the same else if statement can be repeated as many times as your condition is. If the age is less than 12, you will print kiddo. If the age is greater than 2000, it is like inappropriate or your vampire, for an example. If your age is greater than 100, then you may be Alice granny or something. So here for every true action you have a statement, every false action there is one more condition checked. So it is having multiple conditions checked for every false statement. So I hope you understood the concept of if, else and else if. So while and for, while condition statements and for condition statements will be seeing in next video. I hope you understood the topic. Thank you.